I'd like to thank you all for your subscriptions, likes, and shares. Welcome to the D&D Gardening channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Thursday, February 27th, and it is 9:59 a.m. I hope that dog doesn't start barking just because it hears me. Anywho, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be planting some broccoli and some cauliflower seedlings, and I am also going to plant peas. Now, I planted them some in the house, and they started, just a couple of them actually started, they germinated. So I think that what I need to do is just sow them outside and be done. Let's hope. So that's what we're going to do today. I probably won't be doing any talking, lots of singing though, but that's what I am going to do. You will see me just bouncing around in my garden. This is the time to get busy, and I'm getting busy. So come along with me. Okay, you guys were probably wondering, what this is. Instead of me drawing strings across or taping strings across my bed, this is 1 square foot. And so I use this to not only get my 1 square foot, but to also mark the spacing for each item that I plant. I'm trying to do it the correct way this time. Instead of go for this mad dash of planting like I did before. So now what I'm getting ready to do is plant my seedlings, my snowball cauliflower, and my Sun King broccoli, and I have 1 Brussels sprout and 2 loofahs that I need to get planted, and they are going in containers. Let me move my little, what are you? Oh, my grapevine. All right, you get to sit in here with the tomatoes for now. Yeah. So I am going to clear a spot on this table that I've got junked up and start getting my soil and everything ready so I can fill up my buckets, and because these are going into, this is what I was going to tell you guys about. I don't know if you saw me referring back and forth to this. This is the layout of my backyard and my garden, and I've got spaces marked where I am going to plant things, and over here is the key that shows me what exactly I'm putting in those spots. So I will, how can I do this? I don't know how I can share this with you guys, but I'll try to do a close-up of it so you can just see what I envision for my garden. So I need, okay, so okay, wait, whoa. Okay, my cabbage, eggplant, peppers, tomatoes, my Brussels sprouts. I have those going in a bucket. So, you will see me bouncing around more. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, I have worked up a sweat, y'all. So, I have got my broccoli planted and my cauliflower. One of them, he looks kind of sick, so I'm not going to work him out yet. I'm going to leave him in the house and doctor on him a little and see if he perks up. If he does, then he's coming outside with the rest of them. I got my peas planted and fertilized and watered. And I added bone meal and blood meal when I was planting them. I will take you on a quick tour of what I got so far. Okay, as you saw on my last video, here's all of my cabbages planted. Here's the loofah I just planted. I planted 2 in there, and this is a 10-gallon, or supposed to be a 10-gallon bag. These 2 are my potatoes, my red Norland and my Yukon Gold. These 2 bags had those potatoes in them that I tried to grow, but when we had a whole bunch of rain, they just drowned. So I've got to dig through those and pull those out so I can reuse the soil and all that good stuff. Over here, I've got, let's see if I can zoom in. I planted Sugar Prince peas right there. And I did, right there. The tag is in front of where I planted it. So I got Sugar Prince planted there. I've got the Lincoln pea planted right there, and these are all sweet peas. This is the first 13 peas that I planted. And then you come over here. Now, I don't know if it's time to plant these, but it's a pea, or it's called a pea, so I planted it anyway. That's the California black-eyed pea. I planted there. And here I planted the white acre pea. And show you my onions. They were looking dreadful, absolutely dreadful. But I gave them all a haircut, and they are looking marvelous now. They are standing up, where some of them were just kind of flopped over. But I got those there. I forgot to show you over here. These are doing well. These, I can't, and I'm just going to be honest with you, I can't remember if these are rutabagas or if they are turnips. I believe they are rutabagas, I think. But the leaves have taken a beating, but they're growing. Uh-oh, where'd it go? I can't see. I can't tell if you know what? This is just driving me batty. So I'm just gonna get up on it right there. So they're growing. And here's one peeking through. All right, where's my hand? Okay, there's my hand. There he is. Somewhere in there. I think these are rutabagas though. Oh yeah, there's another one. So they're coming out of the ground. And my one leek, he's looking kind of sad. I didn't give him a haircut, but I think I might have to. And these over here are the other onions, and I haven't given them a haircut yet. I was mainly focusing on the big batches of them. And over here is the cauliflower and broccoli that I planted, and my one Brussels sprout. I planted way more than that, but that's all that came up. So that's all of that. And I have the tags in them. Aren't you proud of me? Okay, so thank you for joining me while I bounced around my backyard. It is garden season and I am absolutely loving it. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention. Remember a long time ago in one of my videos, you may or may not have seen it. It's one of those where I'm just talking and just talking. But I said I wish that there was a hand tiller that's, you know, portable electric. There is. I was watching Dolores' Garden and Halima, I think it's Halima or Zalima, I'm not sure which one, but she had one. And I looked at my husband and I said, this is what I told you that I needed. I wish that they had made, but apparently they make one. So I ordered one. It'll be here tomorrow. You know what? It's a bad thing that I watch other people's videos because I see something and I'm like, I want that too. But you know, you have to. Anyway, that is a tool that is definitely needed, because at first I was going to buy, you know, the one that has the little T-bar handle. You know, it's like a T and it's got the 4 little prongs that are kind of crooked like that, and you just put it in the soil and twist it. That's what I was going to get. Tiller on the way. I'm so excited. So anyway, if this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel or watching one of our videos, please consider subscribing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next video, take care. Bye.